Hi everybody, I'm Vicki Robb. I'm coming to you from the Miele Experience Center in Princeton, New Jersey. Today I'd like to show you one of my favorite features of the Combi-Steam Oven, which is the defrosting mode. It's a special mode in the Combi-Steam Oven that not everybody is aware we have. So today I'll show you how to defrost this chicken. It will just take minutes and you'll find that it has perfect results that you'll be happy with. Take the chicken out of the store packaging and use one of your Miele solid Combi-Steam Oven trays. Part of the reason that you'll find a better result defrosting in the Combi-Steam Oven is that it is defrosting using a low temperature of moisture. So it's not going to dry out your chicken. It's going to have a perfect result as if you just bought it. The alternative would be to defrost in your microwave, and I think we all know what that result would be. You would have cooked edges, it would still be frozen in the center, and you probably wouldn't like the texture as much as you will when you're defrosting in your Combi-Steam Oven. Now we're ready to program the oven and start defrosting our chicken. So I have it in my solid steam pan. I'm gonna put it on any level in the steam oven. It really doesn't matter because it's a convection steam oven. Even temperature throughout the entire oven. Make sure that you have water in the water reservoir if it isn't a plumbed oven. If it is, you don't need to worry about that step. I'll turn the oven on first of all. Very easy, go into your special modes. We'll select the defrost mode. Keep it at the default temperature. We put it there so you don't have to overthink this. 140 degrees is just perfect. I'm gonna start with 10 minutes of defrosting time. You can always add more time, so don't worry about that either. We're going to just select OK. And now the oven will heat up to our 140 degrees. When it's finished, we'll check and make sure it's defrosted all the way through. Great, we all heard that noise. We know what that means. Our chicken's done defrosting. So I'm gonna give it a quick check. If it isn't defrosted all the way through, we'll just add a little bit more time. It looks perfect. I'm just gonna give it a little poke with a fork. Nice. Now I can go ahead and use this chicken and make my dinner.